Troubleshooting a CH02 or E1 error code on an LG room air conditioner. LG makes it easy to diagnose problems with your room air conditioner should you run into any issues. If an issue occurs, the air conditioner is programmed to communicate diagnostic messages, displayed as codes that can assist you or a technician in getting the unit back to optimum performance. If you are seeing a CH02 or E1 error code on your air conditioner's display panel, this indicates a short or open circuit in the indoor pipe sensor. Try unplugging the unit and waiting 2 minutes for the power to discharge. Then plug the unit back in. If the error code reappears, the unit will require a repair service. Please visit our Request a Repair page. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.